Arjun Rathi. I'm the co-founder and curator of the Design Democracy show. I'm here with my partners Shelja and Palika. This year we have the third edition of Design Democracy happening on 5th, 6th, 7th September at the HITEX Exhibition Centre. The show is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's going to be a 3-day design festival where we have over 150 brands showcasing their work. Over 80 architects are going to be sharing knowledge with us through our talks program this year. Apart from that, we've received a lot of support from the local sponsors and local brands from Hyderabad, and my partners will give you more introduction on the new interventions we are doing this year.
Hello, I'm Shelja Patwari, co-founder of Design Democracy, and I want to talk about the local sponsors, about the local designers who supported us through the 3 years. This year, we are happy to have the support of Hanuman Enterprises. They are sponsoring the Museum of Telangana. We have Alekhya Homes. They are sponsoring our talks program. We have Trilight doing our launch party, and also in addition to that, we have brands like Quantra Quads, Studio Inhabit, Studio Chisel, YV Beds, Culture. So they are all taking part in the show, and we are very grateful that Hyderabad has come forward and they support the show. They sort of recognize what we are doing, and we're looking forward to everyone to attend the show.
Hi, I'm Palika Srivastav, and I'm co-founder of Design Democracy. So this year in the show, we have special exhibits, like we have Precious Object Pavilion, then we have Gallery of Sustainability. We also have Museum of Telangana, which has always been there for the last 3 years. And then we have an architect called Nuru Karim, who's actually worked on a path which connects our Hall 1 and Hall 3. This path is called Flow. Then in Museum of Telangana, also the local architects and the landscapists are coming together and showcasing. So it has been really nice. It has been a good journey till now. And we actually want all the Hyderabadis, everyone to come and see the show. Enjoy the show. It's a festival. It's you have food, you have music, you have art, you have culture, you have design, everything under one roof. Come spend the day with us. Have little fun, see everything, what exactly is happening. Thank you so much.